productivity, accuracy, and reliability. The WK-60 range of loader scales has been designed with these three principles in mind. Let's find out more. The WK-60 range is the latest from the world leaders in onboard weighing, Freud. From the simple and intuitive touchscreen display to the unrivaled accuracy and a lower cost of ownership, the WK-60 range of scales is the ideal way of precisely weighing every load. The WK-60 range is precision engineered, and the entire system, from the sensors to the display unit, is made in Germany to guarantee quality. This commitment to quality means there is less servicing and the scales stay in calibration for longer. Freud's reputation for reliability is partly why there are over 40,000 systems installed worldwide. The WK-60 range is easy to operate. All information is shown in one simple view on the display. The screen shows the weight inside the bucket, the total weight already loaded, and the amount of weight remaining until the target is reached. Here, the operator has too much weight. The system alerts the operator so they can dump some material without the need to drive to a weighbridge to find out a truck has been under or overloaded, saving valuable time and money. When the system is not needed, it can simply be placed into standby mode. The WK-60 range can store up to 5 attachments and has the option for Legal for Trade certification. Thanks to this, the WK-60 range can be used to sell direct from the loader to customers. Each scale can connect to the cloud. This cloud system has fully integrated reporting, which can track the productivity of your machines, and an API allows information to pass seamlessly between the machine and your company software. Every bucket load is recorded, and useful data such as registration numbers, products, customer names, order numbers, and more can be stored against each load. The information can be downloaded to USB, or onboard printers will produce physical copies of all work carried out. Installation and after-sales support is offered by Kerfab's industry-leading Backup Plus service. Kerfab's network of technicians are located in every capital city and most regional areas. This means a local technician can complete all servicing, calibrations, and repairs quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping your machine productive. The WK-60 range of loader scales sticks to the promise of providing the most accurate scales that can be depended on day after day and year after year to improve your productivity and profitability. For more information on the WK-60 range, visit www.kerfab.com.au or call the office on 1800 818 079.